Hey everybody, welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. So excited to have y'all here. Welcome to week 5. We're about 2 weeks left in the course, and then we'll be finishing up. So please make sure if you have any grades that are missing or any assignments missing, please contact me immediately. That way you can get them updated. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So let's get into it and let's go from there. So week 5, so we talked a lot about the first 3 response types: technical responses, perceptual, and sensory responses. This week we're going to focus a lot on emotional communication and how persuasive communication ties into that and the different elements behind that. So we're pretty much going to focus on the goal of persuasion, what is persuasion as a whole, and pretty much persuasion is just to convince or deter someone or some group to a certain choice. And there's a lot of different people that use persuasion in this world: politicians, businesses, doctors, lawyers, teachers. I mean, pretty much everyone that wants to convince something of that hey, this is the right way to do things or something about that. That's what we're going to be focusing on this week. A lot of cool stuff. So a lot of concepts that we're going to cover. We're going to talk a lot about persuasive and emotional communication. We're going to talk about persuasive communication as a whole, emotional triggers, social media and how it works with persuasion and the different ethical elements behind that, and also visual techniques that go behind that as well. Sweet. Other than that, that's all I got. Just let everybody know you have your discussion post due on Tuesday night, your initial post, your reply post due Saturday. Also, lecture, same time as always, 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central. Link is posted along with the rubrics as well. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But I hope to see you for Tuesday for lecture. That's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. Hope to see y'all later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.